We know sugar is the enemy, and we know that we need to keep our sugar levels and actually our insulin levels under control so that we don't contract diabetes too. We know in order to do this that we should finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. I don't know when last you managed to do that, because I have a very late schedule. I get home at 8 at night. The kids still need to do homework. The dog needs to be walked, and then I eat dinner at 9. I better go to bed at 10 because I'm up at 5 again and I have to get those 7 hours. So here is a hack to reduce your blood glucose levels and to make sure that you remain insulin sensitive if you are somebody who eats dinner late. Get up after dinner and go for a walk for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is all it takes to bring your blood glucose back down to a safe level so that you can go to sleep. If you can't walk, do squats. If you can't squat, do stretches, yoga, any physical activity for 10 minutes. It will ensure metabolic health for life.